Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are taking a look at an epic 3D print. So when I seen this, I was like, yeah, I gotta print this. So it looks really cool. So this is called Liftoff and it is gorgeous. Kind of supposed to be the next generation of space flights. You've got like the old space shuttle in there and then the new stuff that's replacing it. And yeah, it's really lovely. Now it didn't print perfectly. You can see the space shuttle wings there, not great. Maybe it needs some sort of smoke or something just there to add a little bit of support as it prints, perhaps. The rest of it, though, came out absolutely lovely. And I think the design of it is really freaking cool. So, big props to the original designer here. And there'll be a link in the description below if you want to go download this and try it yourself. It's free and definitely a worthwhile print. But yeah, like I say, only minor kind of faults when it came to the fuel tank there and the wings and the shell. Otherwise, this was a lovely print. And also just printing this out in white, I think really does it justice. You could definitely do multicolor here with it or a bit of a paint job perhaps. But I think just in white itself. And if I was to do this again, I think I'd probably go and make it even bigger, as I think it would look even cooler. But yeah, I'll leave you with some nice high quality photos. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments below. And I hope we'll get to see more of a similar style when it comes to this. Maybe just individual rockets or shuttles or stuff like that. I think could look absolutely gorgeous.